Good morning, students. Here, here I come with the very important questions. Uh, Another proof which you will see in the past papers very frequently for A level maths, chapter number 6. Chapter name is trigonometric ratios. Exercise 6G, question number 6. Exercise 6G, question number 6, part 1. This here it comes exercise 6G, question number 6, part 1. By considering the graph of the function or otherwise verify that number 1 part cos of theta equals to cos of minus theta. So by graph or any other method as it is mentioned in the question. So first of all, let's see what is cos in a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, as you know, a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree is called right angle triangle. Let ABC is a triangle. Let small a, small b and small c are the length of the sides of the triangle. For example, AB is c unit long, where c can be any unit, right? So it makes an angle theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. The side opposite to the given angle is called opposite. The side opposite to the 90 degree box, opposite to the box, is called hypotenuse, and the remaining side is called adjacent. So cos theta here is adjacent C and hypotenuse B. You can say that. This is the cos function. Cos is basically the ratio between the adjacent and hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. So our question is show that or to prove that, question number 6 part 1, cos of theta equals to cos of minus theta. For this, let's consider a unit circle. A unit circle is a circle whose radius is 1 unit, right? So let's suppose this is the graph, x-axis, y-axis, and a circle that covers all the 4 coordinates of the graph, right boys, students? So let's suppose a particle is at point A and it moves to point B. So it covers some arc length AB, right? So it makes some angle theta, some positive angle. So if you draw the perpendicular from B, so this distance is x and this distance is y, and r equals to 1, right? So if you will take the cos of this triangle, let's give the name of the triangle. Let's suppose this is LMN. So the cos theta is adjacent, which is x, and hypotenuse, which is r, radius, and it is equal to 1. So cos theta equals to x over 1 is x. That is equation 1. Now if the particle from point A, now it moves in opposite direction and it covers the same arc length as AB, so it makes the same theta but in opposite direction. Same theta, which is minus theta, in opposite direction. If you draw the perpendicular, so the x distance is common in both the triangle, and this is radius from the center to the point, any point on the circle which is 1. So here with respect to minus theta, opposite is, right, adjacent is x and hypotenuse is 1. So cos of minus theta x over 1 is also x. So both the values are equal to x. It means that both functions are equal. Cos of theta is equal to cos of minus theta. Thank you boys. Thank you students. Have a nice day.